Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am doing my favorite winter 2018 colors. These are the ones that I reach for the most and love them so much. So if you want to see these bad boys, keep on watching. All right, we have Snow Cone. Look at how beautiful that is. So Snow Cone is right here. I love it so much. I used a lot of blues this winter. Winter's not over, we're only in January. But After Midnight was a favorite, Snow Cone and Malibu, which you may see in here. But look at how beautiful that is. It has that like pink purple undertone that you can get just slightly. And it looks beautiful under Justice as well. This is Justice and it looks amazing under that. And I do have a tutorial on using that, which I can link there. All right, we have Malibu, which this one was a hidden favorite of mine. There are matte pieces and hollow blue pieces in it, and it is absolutely amazing. So as you can see from the same swatch sticks, this is Malibu. Like, look at how good these go together. Like, if you did a fade between these two, I don't know why, but this one just really spoke to me. I think it's especially because of the matte texture under it, but these guys, again, were my favorite, which you'll continue to see. All right, we have After Midnight, which this may be like one of my favorite all-time colors. That would be really tough because look at how beautiful, and it took me a while to get this color. I should just leave these sticks here like permanently. So here is After Midnight. It has a little bit more of a purple-ish undertone. It's definitely a blue, but a purple undertone. Same with Justice. So that's the two I used with Justice on the bottom and then these guys on top, and you can see that they go perfectly. If you wanted just a solid glitter, I would put Justice down first, which is that blue buttercream, and then that on top, and you will get a happy, beautiful singing parade. All right, we have the Elvis Pelvis, and I love this one so much. You would think it would be darker, but this is I don't know if you guys know Sophia by Light Elegance. It also looks very similar to this, but this has more of a purple base. I love this one. All right, so here is the Elvis Pelvis. It has a silver purple kind of base. It almost seems like it would be licorice, the big chunkies of licorice. Like, those actually would probably go really good together. But this is probably like one of the hidden gems as well for this year. We have Joan Crawford, and this I use all year round. I use this probably in every other nail tutorial because I love this one so much. All right, so here is Joan Crawford, which you can see it's that like shard type finish, which you can obviously see in the jar as well. And then we have all these others that don't quite live up to it. You put that guy on and you just stack him and stack him. He looks amazing. I love this one so much. I also love the new buttercream. It's also kind of not like uniform. I think that's what I like about it. It's not uniform shards, and same with this buttercream, but that's like a champagne, and then this is more of a gold. They just came out with one this year. It is Daredevil, which is this guy, which uses that same shard, and then they put some black and then I think a little bit of orange in there, so you can tell that I love these types of finishes, and I just ordered a whole bunch of loose glitters that are shards. I love shards. I don't know why. I think it's because, again, that non-uniform glitter just speaks to me. All right, Cheers from Down Under, which you will see a tutorial soon featuring this bad boy. I love this one. This is a gold and rose gold color. The fine, and then it's mostly fine gold, and then there is some bigger chunks of big gold, but all the rest of the big ones are rose gold. So it just looks so pretty. Or maybe a 50-50 mix, but it leans more rose than gold. All right, so these are probably the closest ones that I have together. I feel like rose gold is such a personal preference. Like Betty Davis, I was debating putting that in because it's just a solid, beautiful rose gold, but I didn't. I felt like Cheers from Down Under, since I used it not too long ago that I was just falling in love with that one. And the best part, that French press is its little sister. So it almost looks like they chose the fine glitters from French press and put it from Cheers and Down Under. So if you wanted like a full solid nail that didn't have anything, put those two together, I'm telling you, it's a match made in heaven. And they essentially, I think they just put chunkies in that one. But this part of the wheel is like my favorite. I love this part so much. Little Red Sled. I celebrate Christmas and I wanted a beautiful plain red glitter, just straight up red. I actually have a tutorial using this on my natural nails, which I can link above there. Like I said, I don't really have any red glitters. The other red I have, which is like a red magenta, is Fire Breather, and then Little Red Sled. That's it. So I don't really have anything to compare it to as far as other colors, and that's Cheers from Down Under. So I like to get unique things that I don't have, although I do have some duplicates. But again, Little Red Sled, I feel like is a staple in anyone's collection, especially around the holiday times. Like, how pretty is that? All right, Silver Sparkle, which I feel like is another good staple around the holiday time and New Year's time. It's just a great silver. I mean, you may be able to see it on my nails, which, raher. So I definitely use this quite a bit throughout this year, but definitely around the holiday time. I do have a decent amount of silver-ish type colors. So let's go ahead and pull out Silver Sparkle, which is that guy right there. He is just a beautiful, almost seems like a liquid silver. That's probably the best way to describe it. And then you have Disco right next to it, and then we get into the whites. But I also love the white gold because, again, that non-uniform glitter. But again, I don't have anything like it, so I tend to, you know, pick things that I know will be very versatile, that aren't necessarily just to my taste. Big Diamond, I feel like this is everybody's staple. Tiny Diamond, not as much, but Big Diamond and Little Diamond. Tiny Diamond's new this year, but Big Diamond just absolutely speaks to me. Just look at that reflectiveness. Love it. All right, so I did pull in some of the silvers over here to show you that this I count as kind of a white glitter, even though it has like a silver sparkle. I mean, I probably could switch it, but like Snow Queen is also very beautiful, but this is just straight up a little bit of hollow, not much. Very little, but mostly silver in there. It's just so beautiful. So it's right there. And then you can see I have some of the other glitters as well. And that's Diamond, which Tiny Diamond is more of a cream. That's definitely a silver with, again, some fine hollow, not much. And then that Big Diamond. So these two right there. And last but not least, Swing by Sweden. This was a new release for the winter of this year, and it is absolutely amazing. You would have seen it already. It is right there. Just look at that. You know those like unicorn flakes that everybody buys that are blue and pink? That's this in a glitter. Depends on what you put it under. It changes. Like, look at that. Look at that. How awesome is that? I love this so much. I feel like I had some really good favorites this year, and that one may be my top favorite. Although Little Red Sled and Joan Crawford, I don't know. It's hard to choose. I'm glad I did 10. So here we go. All right, overall, I felt like I had a really good selection. Of course, I did a little bit more of the blues. You know, it's holiday time. I feel like this kind of back row kind of shows you the holiday, and then you kind of have some universal wintry stuff here. I mean, Silver Sparkle is like staple, and again, I'm totally feeling this year's selection of colors. I hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.